So let us now give thanks to the Lord for this day is very wonderful and prosperous to all of us, especially to the Ascension Assemblies of Singapore. So congratulations, the Purifier Protection, for this newly built 81 barracks no, sa pagpanerbisyo sa publiko din sa lungsod sa Tudela. Ato ang tagaan o gatugid ay pagpakpak, kalibay, upang sa pagpasalamat na na-realize kini nga mao nga counting for the closing na. Let's have the cutting of ribbon in 3, 2, 1. Congratulations very much with the eye for the people behind the success. And of course, to our Senior Fire Officer 3, Sir Angelito Dabumbal, a big salute and happy salute to you, sir.